Yes, IYAH. Yeah, man. None dog can't stop the show, yeah. Yeah, man. Show must go on, brother. Live interview. Yeah, man, with the great Blaggi. Yes, IYAH. Yeah, man, see Blaggi dog, the most quarter today. I have no eye behind me still, you know. But I know see Blaggi them. Yeah, see now I tap me still. Yes. Alright, Blaggi. Alright. The first thing I'm gonna tell you, say, come hold up here. I'm telling you, I know you can't walk without the Pepsi, you know.
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank you.
I know you can't walk without the Pepsi, you know, Blaggi.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see Pepsi there.
Yeah.
I'm having bun and cheese. You eat bun and cheese, no?
Yeah.
You eat bun and cheese?
Yeah.
Alright, after the interview, me give you bun and cheese. I just carry something for you. Alright, drink your Pepsi, Blaggi. Yes, Blaggi. Drink your Pepsi. Alright. Yeah, man, give me a Blaggi smile now.
Ah. Yeah.
Yeah, give me the Blaggi laugh now.
Yeah.
And the Blaggi laugh that.
Yeah.
Okay. You come get a scully pop laugh out of the day, you know.
Yeah.
You want a Blaggi laugh.
Yeah.
Give me the Blaggi laugh, brother.
Yeah.
Come back, give me a better laugh than that.
Yeah.
Show me teeth them.
Yeah.
Well, I tell you. Alright. Alright, Blaggi, you hear me now, Blaggi? Yeah, man. Alright. To all my viewers and the voice of Bed Miller YouTube channel. Yeah, man, this is a man named Blaggi, a former student of William High School. Yeah, man, so I go just interview him. Yeah, man. Yes, hold on, come now. Yeah, man, this is also Blaggi. Blaggi. Move it up, Blaggi. Move it up, move him. Move it up. Move it up, yeah. Alright. So, this is what Blaggi just said now. Yeah, man, this is Blaggi. Blaggi 9 Crocs. Yes, IYAH. Alright, now, you know Blaggi. I'm going to start the interview now, brother. Blaggi. How old are you?
35.
Who?
35.
35, man.
Yeah. 35-year-old.
How much?
35-year-old.
What 35-year-old?
Yeah.
No, Blaggi. You come like in a high call. You know high call too good, you know. You're not 35. Someone know certain things you're not going to remember. Oh, one thing I want to know now. I will share 10 minutes, man. I will share you used to go nib.
1977.
You left 1977.
Yeah.
Which year you first go nib? 72, you tell me?
72.
72. Okay, that's so more logical. In a seat. Okay, you don't want to tell nobody your age, but you're 35.
Yeah.
You're older than 35, Blaggi. Yeah, man. Say, and ask you, how much in time there? How much GCE and so forth left in the breed?
Yeah, GC.
8 subjects left in the breed?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go back to the details. I wish I was subject. But 8 subjects left in the breed?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice, man. You can't remember none of your schoolmates them back at Nib. You can't remember.
Errol and Turn.
Eh?
Errol and Turn.
Earl and who?
Turn.
Cheryl?
Errol and Turn. Errol Buckland and Turn Scarlet.
Oh, sure. Okay. Okay. Where they Nib? Who was the principal of Nib at the time?
Edgar and Fallon.
Okay, Edgar and Fallon.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me can say you have a certain memory to our levels. One thing you know, Blaggi, you was good at table tennis, you know.
Yeah.
You never represent Trilani, you never played with Trilani at table tennis.
Yeah.
Tell me some of the man who used to play with table tennis back in a few days.
You Ellis.
Eh?
You Ellis.
And laugh it too.
Laughing.
Say remember Anita Bell Nevis
Anita Bellinelli.
and Aldit.
And Alex Ellis.
Okay, we say Aldit is Aldit Ellis. So that's true your talk. Yeah, man, a former Trilani table tennis player, man. I so want to know the Trilani people them good pan sports.
Yeah.
Because Blaggi used to play TT good. So as I say, I don't too pressure certain things upon you because I know say some certain things I don't remember.
Yeah.
In a seat. Say, yeah, how much brothers and sisters did you used to have?
Eh?
How much brother and sister you used to have? You have?
My junior brother.
Eh?
My junior brother.
Okay. And people, me the interview Blaggi right in for the bar. This is a bar, yeah? This is a bar, yeah? I suppose one of the oldest bar of Falmouth. From the boy, I'm Mr. Blagrove bar, this sir. And yes, I'm Mr. Blagrove, Blaggi father. You see, have him bar. Now forget that. I suppose the oldest bar in Falmouth, and it's a place always be a bar. And my sister, you know, when they put you 1 year now. But you hear me now? Because the interview gone 5 minutes. So me tell people say you can sing.
Yeah.
So just give me some of my favorite songs. Give me some alternatives now.
Okay.
Alternatives.
Love that, love that, love that, love before. Love that, love that, love that, love before. Since just once more. When you took control, you took my baby soul.
Whoa, Blaggi.
You always show me that, loving you is great, you made me so
Why?
very happy. I'm so glad you came into my life.
Pull up, give me another altern Blaggi. Just cut them short for me. Give me another altern. I'll Dennis Bow. Anyone your favorite artist them.
You turn and you walk to
Pop,
the
pop, pop,
door.
pop, pop. Will you turn and walk to the door?
Me so. It hurts me so. Listen to me, but I'm saying to you, breaking up, it's hard to do. Breaking up, it's hard to do.
Yes, Blaggi. Give me one D-Bro now. Uno dog uno can't stop the show. Uno dog will watch me this morning. Uno can't stop the show. The show if it goes on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Blaggi live in concert. On the voice of bed me there. Sick Pepsi. Give me one D-Bro now. You know D-Bro? John Old.
That fancy dress. Yeah, that fancy dress. You sure look up the very best. In my next you gonna be.
Put on the stick, Blaggi.
Yeah, that fancy dress.
Blaggi, me know the one then. Give me one of me know, man.
Yeah, that fancy dress. You sure look up the very best. In my next you gonna be. As a mess, God needs never to see. No sorry. You're gonna be my baby.
Okay. Okay. The one. Give me next Dennis Brown. And John Holt.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love.
Yeah, tell the Blaggi, no love.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. No love all the night. Baby, all the time.
Pull up, Blaggi. Rewind. Come back, Blaggi, come back.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. The love I is mine, but there's all to find. Oh, it's all for a man, even without a woman. Yeah, the woman is a man to cling to.
Give me for your favorite song. Heart Made of Stone.
What made of stone? You make me
No.
know. Heart made of stone. You make me know. Heart made of stone.
Yeah, I tell you.
You make me know.
Go and see me, Blaggi.
Heart made of stone.
I can't see me.
Heart made of stone. You make me know.
Yeah, man, give me Ken Boot, any one artist. Give me one popular song.
It's the song of the swallow.
Yeah, I tell you,
When
Blaggi.
they play
I tell you.
my soul in the night when she's gone from tomorrow. In the night, you Shine a star off for you. And you will be mine once again. Come tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Give me one song for the ladies then. Come, you love women and Blaggy. You love the girls them. You know. Give me one song for the ladies them. Give me one hot song for the ladies them now, Blaggy.
The train's coming, baby. The train's coming now. The train's coming, baby. The train's coming now. All I will be
Pop, 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 pop. Train is coming, baby.
you. So long. Now the time has come. And it's between me and you. So long. The train's coming, baby. And we are living on a train. And we want the land. Baby, all of the free.
I know it's me about just like Scully Pop, never part 2, you know, because me I tell you say the thing gone to 11 minutes now, me no want to go too long, you know, because yeah, because people know, yeah. But as a man say, this is Blaggy. Yeah man. Yeah. Yeah, what's your right name? What's your right name? Noel
Blaggi.
Noel Blagrove. Okay, okay, so me get it right then. Yeah man. So, as I say, take out the bun and cheese and do him back the bag. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah man, so Blaggy, it was nice. Get this a part 1. Anybody want any more information for you? Me do a part 2.
Yeah.
But I say, boy dog them couldn't stop. The dog them couldn't stop the show ya.
Yeah.
Them did have to interview you. And make the people them all over the world, England everywhere, can't see. This is Noel. Yeah man, so Noel have all of him locks, yeah. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yes. This is Noel. Yeah man. Yeah, the great Blaggy. Just a film spot. I want him before you close off, you know. One thing I'm going to tell you about Blaggy, you know. So when COVID they kill people. When COVID kill people left, right and center. You see, COVID free the Blaggy. In the sun and the rain, Blaggy the right. When curfew they go and Blaggy the right or so. I say I want to know, so oh, Blaggy no take no vaccine, nothing at all. You see Blaggy right through the COVID crisis, you know. For the 2 years of COVID, Blaggy there, so you know. And now sick, you know. And people are sick and dead, you know. People are sick and dead and Blaggy still standing. The more people dead left gone Blaggy, the more people dead left gone left Blaggy. Yeah, man, who take vaccine, and who COVID kill. I want to know, Blaggy no sick, none at all. Blaggy no sick, none at all through COVID time, you know. I just say Blaggy base, you know. Yeah, man. I can't see what they're saying with dog them there, you know. Yeah, man. So I say Blaggy, give me general.
Thank you.
Respect. Respect.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Give me the Blaggy laugh, let me sign off. Give me the Blaggy laugh. Yes, yeah. So,
Yeah.
so, yeah, man, my YouTube viewers, yeah, man, on the voice of Bed Miller. Remember if you like and share this video, yeah, you know, brother. And man, yeah, man, and subscribe to the channel. Because the thing, the voice of Bed Miller just start. I had to pick up grounds. Yeah, man, I get enough big up the things that I'm going to right now. But as I say, yeah, man, I'm out now. Yes. So, Blaggy, give me a sip over the Pepsi. No, man, give me a drink. No, man, drink the Pepsi, me catch up on the Pepsi. Blaggy, favorite drink, Pepsi. Yeah, man. All right. Give me the Blaggy laugh again now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, I'm out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.